2016 RX.
Thank you so much. I'm excited.
Yeah, I'm excited too. My name is Angela, by the way, and I'm a delivery specialist. I'm going to be going over some of the features in your new car, okay?
Okay.
All right, let me get the door for you. Let's get started.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Go. Okay, Marisol, it looks like you already selected some features for us to go over today. You kept it really basic. We're going to cover Bluetooth, phone, and we're going to cover radio controls and the navigation system. Is that what you wanted to go over today?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go ahead and start by pairing your phone to the vehicle. How's that sound?
Okay.
So the first thing I'm going to have you do is go ahead and press the off hook button on the steering wheel there. And then we're going to get a little prompt on the screen here. Go ahead and use the remote touch and click yes. There we go. So now go ahead and go into your settings menu and click Bluetooth. And then we're going to see Lexus RX pop up at the bottom under available devices. Go ahead and select it. And then go ahead and hit pair to confirm. There we go. So if your phone's compatible with the system, it's also going to allow for text messaging. When you see that prompt, go ahead and select yes if that's what you would like to do. There you go. And it's very quick. As soon as it pairs, your contacts start to update, and before you know it, we've got everyone in there.
Perfect.
Okay, so now that your phone is paired to the car, let's go ahead and make a phone call.
Okay.
Do you have anyone that we can call?
Let's try my friend Monica.
Okay, so first thing I'm going to have you do is use the remote touch again, and we're going to search for Monica in your contact list. Go ahead and use the MNO alphabet block, and we're going to search the list. To scroll down a bit, you can click on the arrows there. And is that Monica there?
Yes, it is.
Go ahead and select her name. And then to start the phone call, go ahead and select the number there from the screen. And it'll start the call right away. And then if you need to end the call, you can press the end button right on the steering wheel there. Excellent.
Okay.
Good. Really simple, right?
Very simple.
Okay, so now we're going to try to make a hands-free phone call, okay? Before you do that, you're always going to wait for the beep after you hit the button, and then you're going to say call and then your contact's name, okay?
Okay.
Alrighty, so start off by hitting the voice command button and wait for that beep before you speak.
Please say a category name.
Call Monica.
Call Monica Lule.
And there we go.
Oh.
That was very, very simple.
Very simple.
So now again, if you need to end that call, go ahead and press the end button. Great, let's move on. Okay, so another great feature of Bluetooth is that you're able to play your audio from your phone into the vehicle. Do you have any music that we can play?
Yes, we do. I think so.
Okay, so easiest way to start off is to hit the radio button here on the center console. And then using the remote touch down below, we're going to click on the source button up at the very top. And then on this audio screen, go ahead and select Bluetooth on the second row. Alrighty, so it's great because it'll automatically start to play any audio you have on your cell phone. Now, if you want to control the volume, or you want to skip to the next track, you have a few controls here on your steering wheel. On the far end, you have the plus and minus sign. Those are both used for volume. And then the arrows right next to that are to skip a track. So if you want, we can skip over to the next track, and it's all automatic.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, so now if you would prefer to listen to AM, FM, or satellite, you can again use the remote touch right down here and select the source button at the very top of the screen. And let's go ahead and jump over to satellite. There we go. Okay, so now if you want to get back to the main screen that shows you artist information and all that good stuff, you can click on info down below. and that'll bring us right over. There we go. So the nice thing about satellite, for example, is that you have a channel list available that helps you find whatever type of music you prefer. So go ahead and click channel list, and then if you see a category that you like, go ahead and select it. There we go. So it'll bring up all of the pop channels available on satellite radio. You can use the arrows right next to your hand here to scroll down the list and see if you find a station that you like.
Okay.
Alrighty, so now to return back to the radio screen, go ahead and hit the info button down in the corner there. And then let's go ahead and click on presets. We'll go ahead and show you how to set a favorite in there. So if you want to save the 80s on Nate as a preset station, go ahead and use again the remote touch and move over to slot 1 on the list and hold the mouse until you hear a beep. Excellent. See that?
That was
How
very
quick was
easy.
that?
Very easy.
Okay, so just like we used voice commands to make a hands-free phone call, you can also use voice commands to control your radio. So how about we try tuning to 80s on 8 by using the voice command button right on the steering wheel like we did. And that's exactly what you're going to say, tune to 80s on 8.
Okay.
Please say a category name.
Tune to 80s on 8.
Tune to 80s on 8.
Excellent. It makes it really easy to use, very user-friendly. So now let's try an FM station. Do you have one in mind?
I do.
Okay, go ahead. Same process.
Please say a category name.
Tune to 99.5 FM.
Tune to 99.5 FM.
Excellent job, Marisol.
Thank you.
All right, Marisol, so it looks like the last thing you wanted to cover today was the navigation system. Let's start by using the remote touch again, and we're going to click on destination over on the far left there. And then to input an address, go ahead and click on the address button. And since someone was already nice enough to enter the state for us, let's go ahead and start with city. And the nice thing about this system is that as you start typing in your entry, it's going to make guesses as to what you're inputting.
Great.
Okay, so now go ahead and enter just your street name. There you go. Go ahead and select it. And then now just your house number. And hit OK to confirm it. There you go. And once we get to the confirm destination screen, it will show you your location on the map. Does that look correct to you?
It looks correct.
Okay. If you want to save this address for another time, you can also hit the mark button down below, and that'll store the entry in your address book in the vehicle for later.
That's perfect.
Alrighty, so now go ahead and hit the go button down below, and that'll calculate our route for us. Alright, Marisol, so now that we have your destination input into the vehicle, let me show you how to clear it out of there. One of the biggest complaints I get from customers is in our older vehicles, they never know how to turn off the navigation. So to clear the route, you're going to use the remote touch again, and we're going to click on destination down below. And then on this next screen, go ahead and delete destination up at the very top of the screen. And then just go ahead and confirm that you want to delete this destination. There we go. The nice thing is that once you clear it, it'll stay stored under previous destinations in the system, okay?
Good to know.
So now, again, just like before, there's a hands-free way to enter a navigation. Stop. So you can also enter an address hands-free, again, by using the voice command button. Would you like to try that out?
Of course.
Alrighty, so let's go ahead and hit the voice command button, and after the beep, you're going to say address, and then just go ahead and follow the prompts, okay?
Please say a category name.
Address.
Enter an address. Please say the full address.
922 California Avenue in Beaumont, California.
Nine, two, two.
Excellent. We
California
got the correct
Avenue,
address.
Beaumont,
Perfect.
California. That house number wasn't found on the selected street. Searching without a house number. Is this correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Alrighty, excellent. So like before, we're gonna get the same screen that shows us the route breakdown. Again, go ahead and use the remote touch and let's hit OK at the bottom of the screen.
Please proceed to the highlighted route, then the route guidance will start.
Okay, so just like we entered the address by voice, we can also delete this destination by voice. So you're going to hit the voice command button on the steering wheel there and say delete destination.
Please say a category name.
Delete destination.
Delete destination. Would you like to delete destination?
Yes.
Yes.
Perfect. How simple was that?
Very simple.
Alrighty, Marisol, so we have covered everything you selected. Are there any other questions you had for today?
No, I do not. Everything was answered. Everything was user friendly, and I'm good to go.